What's up, everyone? This is Mr. Green, back with a new rebrand of the channel with Mr. Green's Gaming 101, where I'll be playing video games as playthroughs, but I will also be giving you some insightful facts and knowledge, either about what's in the game, who's on the game, or just some other facts like space, oceans, geography, stuff like that. For example, geography-wise, Bluey is based out of Australia, which is a country and a continent.
And find that balloon.
We gotta find this balloon. It's
No
one
balloon
of
here.
it's one of the 7 continents. Oh, we shouldn't be kicking stuff off the table either. That's rude. But yeah, so like another little fact I would give you while I'm playing is the fact that Bluey, she is a blue healer, and that is an extremely intelligent, energetic, and loyal dog. It's also considered an Australian cattle dog. So that is what Bluey is. Not sure about mom and dad and the sister. I'm still learning the game and Bluey itself. But when I complete the game and I complete the series, I will post it so you guys can see. So I hope this is something you guys will be looking forward to. I will try to educate while we play and enjoy video games.
Come on, guys! Let's go upstairs and find the balloon.
See, and when we return, we will play Bluey from the beginning all through the end. And we will be playing with the balloon and all that good stuff as well. So I hope you guys will enjoy this new series. And Dad's flipping out right there. Literally, he's flipping back and forth. He's exercising. So before I leave, do some flips, turns, and stuff. And I will see you in the next video. So hopefully I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching.